Hello everyone, the world has become a global village and I have someone today come from Romania. And how
Hello.
we met?
We met on social media, on Instagram. First, I check up on her for a journalist lady around the world, and I found Sameera, a nice woman with a big smile.
That picture.
And that picture, yes. I contacted her. I text messaged her, and she answered right away. And from that day, it started everything.
And she came all the way from Romania to Jeddah.
To Jeddah, and I'm in Saudi Arabia. Welcome to Saudi Arabia. You love the people here.
How you like Jeddah?
Very, very much, and we are all brother and sister there, okay? So come to Saudi. You'll love it here.
So you came since 12 days and I didn't check out the message again. Then how you feel? You thought we will never meet?
No, I felt that it was everything lost. But I found now nice people, very nice people. And one day you called me, it was a big surprise that we met again, and this time in person, okay? This time for real.
She is living in a hotel. They were thinking I'm not real, maybe, or just I do something prank, huh? No, I did not check my Instagram, and suddenly I checked my Instagram and said, oh, she's here, and then I checked the number, and she has sent me a message which I missed it because notification, I don't know how the notification deleted, and then I saw, oh, she's here, so I called you.
Yeah.
And that's why today you are going back. Thanks God that last day at least we met. Yesterday we met and we meet today again, and now we are exploring Jeddah. We are going to the Corniche.
Yes, it's very nice. So you can meet friends and good people online. Remember, nothing is lost, okay?
But trust, obviously I'm there in the social media. Don't trust everyone.
That's for sure. Don't trust in everyone, okay? Only the people with good heart.
Genuine
Okay,
people
genuine
who are always in social media. I'm always in social media, so obviously I'm genuine.
I'm not always in social media, but I'm
Maybe.
genuine also. I'm like
Yeah,
this.
No, I know by your ID that you are genuine, and I'm also always in social media and I share my lifestyle and all this, so I'm genuine as well. But obviously you have to take care when you trust. Yeah.
I trust in your smile.
Yeah.
Because
Whoa.
her smile says everything about her. Remember that.
I like that picture now. That's why so many people say change your DP, change
No,
your DP.
no,
That's
no,
why I
no,
change. No, don't change my DP.
No, no.
Look, this is the power of that picture, that DP.
Yes.
And I have been getting a lot of positive things. It promotes smile, love, and friendship. So I love that DP.
Yes, don't change it. Absolutely. It's perfect. And she's a very nice lady, Nice person, nice lady, nice people come to Saudi. Remember,
You too,
Saudi
you too.
are very nice people. Remember that.
So two businesswomen together today. One from Romania, one from Saudi Arabia. Please hand.
Next time, see you in Romania.
Yeah.
Inshallah.